Toyota Yaris 1.3e HKS muffler, medium. Let's go! Alright, what's up? So, another day, another vlog. For those who haven't seen the video I uploaded yesterday, please do check it out. It's my essentially my thoughts and impressions about this car here, the Toyota Yaris 1.3e manual transmission, 2014 model. So go check it out. And ngayon, I got some questions from some people asking how the HKS muffler sounded like. So this is for you. So my thoughts about the HKS muffler, again, it's a medium-sized HKS, is that well, it's not too noisy. A little bass on the side. Well, it's not a perfect muffler. Again, it's not full exhaust, so yung can lang talaga siya, no? So don't expect a lot of significant changes pagdating sa tunog. But you know, if it's a 3,000 peso can, so for me it's not so bad. Although ako nung una ko siyang kinabit, medyo nanibago ako sa tunog kasi talagang sobrang tahimik nung Yaris eh. Talagang halos wala kang mararamdaman. Minsan nga hindi ko makita yung difference kung minsan patay ba yung makina o hindi, kasi talagang sobrang tahimik when it's on idle. And then I wanted to get some noise out of the car, so I thought of, you know, changing the muffler to this, no, yung HKS. Couple of days after the installation, so yun, may adjustment period pagdating sa tenga, no, kasi nasanay ka nga na sobrang tahimik, pero after a while masasanay ka rin. Long drive at high speeds, okay lang, no? I mean, it's not something that will bother you. Pero this is not for everyone, I would say. Again, it's something in the, I wouldn't really say it's in the middle. Probably if I'm going to rate it from, you know, a muffler perspective, if there's such a thing, no, I'd probably give it a 6. It's okay, but then again, you're not really spending 20,000 for a full exhaust system, so it's not so bad. Kung gusto mo lang ng medyo konting pampapogi sa auto mo, then I think, no, that will work. So there, just another Yaris video. I hope you guys liked it. Kung di pa kayo nagsusubscribe sa channel ko, then, you know, you can do that. If you have any questions about my Yaris, then feel free to comment sa comment section. For now, that's it. Bye.